So we are so excited. Let's tell everybody exactly how it works, okay?
Yeah.
Very, very simple. First and foremost, before we get started, this is a Bitcoin product.
It is a pure Bitcoin.
Pure Bitcoin product. That means that you must purchase this product in Bitcoin,
Yeah.
and then we are going to pay you back in Bitcoin.
Exactly.
So everything that you do is done in Bitcoin. Now, a package costs 50 euro.
In Bitcoin.
In Bitcoin, so it could 50 euro in Bitcoin. So whatever that comes out today, that's about 56, 57 US dollars.
Based on the daily rate.
It's based on the daily rate of the Bitcoin. And what this thing does is it goes out into the marketplace and it runs for an average of 140 days.
Exactly.
Now we say an average of 140 days because what it does during that time is it pays the person that owns this package back every single day in Bitcoin, right?
1%.
An average of 1% every day.
An average of 1% over 100 until it reaches 140%.
Exactly. So if that happens in 120 days, then the package is expired. But it also, on the other side, if it doesn't happen until 150 days, it's going to stay open until it reaches that 140%, right?
That's true, but I have to add something that's very important. It's not like it could be 500 days, because our range will always be between 0.75 and 1.25. This is based on our algorithm that's working on in the backside or on in the back office. So the point is, it's always between 0.75 and 1.25. As long as we can reach this range, we are safe on the payback for what they expect from us.
Earlier today, I had somebody run the numbers for me. We're at day 62, and while we were out tonight at 7 o'clock, I got the message. We are at 0.97. So our average for those 62 days is 0.97. So we're right there.
That's fine.
Okay.
I didn't know that, by the way.
Yeah. Well, you know, some of these math guys, they just keep going. So now you receive an average of 1% a day. That's between 0.75 and 1.25 as return of capital until it reaches 140%, right? Until it reaches a total of 140%. Now, I'm going to have Patty hit the button one more time because there's a little asterisk at the bottom down there. Okay, well, not actually, it's on the next ones. Actual values may differ, but that doesn't include the value change of Bitcoin, correct?
Exactly. That's one of the great part of this product, the miracle of this product, by the way, because as we are dealing with Bitcoins, imagine what happened during the last 62 days.
Right.
People who have bought their packages 62 days ago. And they are now with us, I don't know how many working days, but 62 calendar days.
Right.
Their Bitcoin value has increased with what? From 960 euros, I think,
when we started, yeah,
up to 2,000 euros at the moment. It's more than 100%.
Right.
Plus, not from our side, from the increase of the Bitcoin.
Exactly.
Beside the 40%.
Let's take a look at an example of how this works, because this concept is different and new. And a lot of people, especially that are new to it, don't understand. So what we're going to do is put up an example on the screen of 20 BTC packages that would be 1,000 euro. Okay? So 20 BTC packages would be 1,000 euro. And what we're going to do with those packages is you're going to buy them. So you've invested about 1,000 euro, correct? Now they're going to go out there and work for about 140 working days. And the return of capital after that 140 working days is about 1,400 euro. And again, here's that little asterisk that says does not include the value change of Bitcoin. So for those people that started in this program, and we're going to use my daughter's account for an example. She started with about 1,000 US dollars and got 22 packages on day one. Okay? On day one, she got about 22 packages.
So
okay?
It's easy to calculate. So the return will be calculated today. It's not the end of the 140
correct.
Working day. Already more than 3 times more than she has invested.
3 times more than she invested. So she's up over 3 times. And that's a lot of that's just the value change of Bitcoin.
Exactly.
And again, she started with 22 packages, but she's got over
129.
She's got 129 packages
Why
today.
That? Why that?
She's got commissions.
Because she has gone out and told 3 of her friends,
okay,
and she's getting commissions and making commissions on those Bitcoin packages. So,
but I have to say, just a very important comment. you must not find people out there. You can only make your investment as a customer and rebuy, and a huge compound effect is the basis for buying additional packages as well.
Exactly. So we're going to talk about the compound effect, but before I go to the next slide, I want to talk about the compound effect and how it works against people normally. Because compounding is the bank's big secret, and that's how the banks make all the money. So let's just use an example that, say you buy a house for $250,000, and your payment on that house is about $750 US every single month. Okay, about, and these are just round numbers. Over a 30-year period, you're going to pay the bank back over $500,000. Now, guys, that's compounding working against you. You have paid the bank back double what you bought that house for just for the use of their money. Yep. Now, you and Ralph and Joao and Mike came up with an incredible thing. I call it the smart button. Okay, the smart button. But what it is the auto rebuy button. So what does that button do for us?
Oh, the button is very easy to understand. We are paying the return of capital. That means how many packages you ever buy. An estimated percentage, 1%, back to the customer on a daily basis. And back to the example, 20 BTC packages. Once you have 50 euros in Bitcoins on your internal account, I mean the return of capital in your USI-Tech account, you can do two things. You can either withdraw it, take it out to your own wallet whenever you want on a daily basis, or you can take it and make another investment in a new package. And if we take this example of 20 packages, that means what happens with 20 packages over a year?
Well, I think I broke it down to half a year and a year. So day one, you have 20 packages, and in today's value, that's about 0.5 Bitcoin.
Yep.
And in euro, 0.5 Bitcoin is about 1,000 euro and about 1,200 US dollars. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Now, on day 140, if you just kept that rebuy button on, you'd have 78 packages worth 1.25 Bitcoin. This is exciting. This is where I just start. I want to go through the. This is exciting. Isn't it exciting? So 1.2 Bitcoin in euros today. You're the euro guy. How much is that?
It's 2,500 euros.
2,500 euros. Guys, that's about almost 3,000 US dollars. Yeah. Just shy of 3,000 US dollars. Now, hold on to your seats, guys. Put your seat belts on, because right now, I'm going to have Patty hit the button, and we're going to show you what happens after a little more than a year. 280 working days. Those 20 packages have grown to 126 BTC packages, and they have a value of 2.5 Bitcoin. 5
times more. That's exactly the point. And that's what's so exciting on this product.
Yeah, it's incredible. You know, the numbers of what we are doing is incredible.